Have you ever wondered how to start a business with no money, no inventory, and no storage fees? An intriguing question, isn't it? Imagine a world where you can build a business empire without the burden of packing, shipping, or even handling the product. Picture yourself creating wealth simply by promoting products on social media platforms like TikTok and YouTube. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, you're about to discover a secret that could change your life. The answer lies in a simple yet powerful business model called affiliate marketing. Now you might be wondering, what is affiliate marketing? Well, it's all about promoting other businesses' products or services. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like being a digital middleman, connecting consumers with products that can solve their problems or fulfill their needs. What makes this model so appealing? Well, for starters, there's no upfront capital required. You don't need a hefty savings account to get started. Also, you don't need to worry about inventory, no stacks of unsold goods collecting dust in your garage. And since you're not the one selling the product, there are no storage fees to contend with. Affiliate marketing also eliminates the need for packing and shipping. You won't spend your evenings surrounded by bubble wrap and shipping labels. The company you're promoting takes care of that. And let's not forget, you won't be handling the product directly. There's no need to worry about product quality control, returns, or customer complaints. Your role is simply to connect potential customers with the product, and the rest is handled by the company. Affiliate marketing is a business model that allows you to focus on what you do best, creating engaging content and building relationships with your audience. The products you promote just become natural extensions of that content. Sounds too good to be true? Let's dive into a real-life success story. Meet Jane, a beginner who turned her life around with affiliate marketing. Jane was just like many of us, searching for a way to earn a decent income without the burden of massive startup costs. She was tired of living paycheck to paycheck, and she knew there had to be a better way. One day, she stumbled upon a blog post about affiliate marketing and decided to give it a shot. In the beginning, Jane faced many challenges. She didn't have a lot of money to invest, and she didn't have any products of her own to sell. Plus, she was completely new to the world of online marketing. But Jane was determined. She spent countless hours researching and learning about the ins and outs of affiliate marketing. She studied successful marketers and tried to replicate their strategies. Jane started promoting products on social media platforms like TikTok and YouTube. She created engaging content about the products she was promoting, and she did it consistently. She didn't just post a few times and then give up. No, Jane understood the power of consistency. She knew that success wouldn't come overnight, but she also knew that if she kept at it, she would eventually see results. And boy, did she see results. Jane's diligence and consistency paid off. Her followers started to trust her recommendations, and they began buying the products she was promoting. Jane was earning a commission on every sale, and before she knew it, she was making over $25,000 per month. But Jane's success didn't stop there. As her income grew, so did her confidence. She started exploring other affiliate marketing opportunities, and her earnings continued to increase. Jane was no longer living paycheck to paycheck. She was financially independent, and she had affiliate marketing to thank for it. So, what can we learn from Jane's story? First, we learn that anyone can succeed in affiliate marketing. You don't need a lot of money to start, and you don't need any products of your own. All you need is the willingness to learn and the determination to succeed. Second, we learn the power of consistency. Jane didn't achieve success overnight. It took time and effort, but she stayed consistent, and that's what made all the difference. Lastly, we learn that affiliate marketing can be incredibly lucrative. Jane started off as a beginner, and now she's making over $25,000 per month. That's a life-changing amount of money. Jane's story proves that with consistency and the right approach, anyone can succeed in affiliate marketing. But how did Jane achieve this? The answer lies in the power of social media. The internet is teeming with platforms that have become integral to our daily lives. Among these platforms, TikTok and YouTube stand out as giants. They've transformed from mere entertainment channels to vibrant marketplaces where products are not only showcased, but also celebrated. This is the stage where Jane performed her magic. Jane didn't have a warehouse full of products, nor did she have a hefty budget to start with. She had something far more powerful: a knack for creating engaging content and the persistence to continue doing so. On TikTok, she created short, punchy videos that showcased the products she was promoting in a fun and relatable way. She understood that this platform thrives on creativity and immediacy, and she used these elements to her advantage. On YouTube, she took a slightly different approach. Her videos were longer, more detailed, and took on an educational tone. She'd demonstrate how to use the products, share her personal experiences, and offer tips and tricks. This allowed her to build trust with her viewers, who came to see her as a credible source of information. The key to Jane's success on these platforms was consistency. She didn't just post one video and expect the sales to roll in. She posted regularly, ensuring that her content was always fresh and relevant. This allowed her to build a loyal following of people who were not just viewers, but potential customers. But Jane's journey doesn't end with creating content and posting it. She also took the time to engage with her followers, responding to comments and messages, and fostering a sense of community. This interaction gave her followers a sense of belonging and made them more likely to purchase the products she was promoting. The power of social media lies not just in its ability to reach millions of people, but in its capacity to create connections. Through her engaging content and consistent efforts, Jane was able to tap into this power, turning her followers into customers and her passion into profit. With the right content and consistency, social media can be a goldmine for affiliate marketers. So, why is affiliate marketing the perfect business model for beginners? Let's dive into this fascinating topic. In this fast-paced digital world, starting a business can seem like a daunting task. There are so many hurdles to jump over, such as inventory, storage fees, packing, shipping, and handling of the product. But what if I told you there's a business model that eliminates all these barriers? Yes, you guessed it right. It's affiliate marketing. One of the most attractive aspects of affiliate marketing is its simplicity. There's no need for upfront capital or a storage area filled to the brim with products. You don't have to worry about packing, shipping, or handling the product. All you need is your voice and a platform to share it on. It's as simple as that. But the simplicity isn't the only advantage. Affiliate marketing is also incredibly accessible. Whether you're a college student, a busy parent, or someone looking for a career change, this business model is open to everyone. All you need is a device with an internet connection, and you're good to go. Now let's talk about the potential for earnings. While it's true that the amount you can make varies, with consistency and the right strategies, it's possible to earn upwards of $25,000 per month. Yes, you heard that right. $25,000 a month. That's a life-changing amount of money, isn't it? Moreover, affiliate marketing allows you to tap into the power of social media. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube have millions of users, providing a vast audience for your content. By creating engaging content about the products you're promoting, you can reach out to this massive audience and earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link. To sum it up, affiliate marketing is an incredibly accessible and potentially lucrative business model. It's simple, it's flexible, and it provides a great opportunity to earn money while working from the comfort of your own home. With affiliate marketing, the sky's the limit. Are you ready to take the plunge and start your journey in affiliate marketing? Just think, you could be the next Jane, who turned her passion into a lucrative business without the need for any capital, inventory, storage, or shipping. You could be creating content about products you love and believe in, right from the comfort of your own home. Imagine the potential of utilizing platforms like TikTok and YouTube, reaching millions of potential customers worldwide. Consistency is key, and the more content you create, the more you can earn. With dedication and persistence, you too can make over $25,000 a month. So why wait? Start your affiliate marketing journey today. This is the perfect business model for anyone starting out in 2024, and the possibilities are endless. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and valuable tips on affiliate marketing. Your journey to financial freedom starts here.